All right, so let's talk about what to pack and how to pack and getting ready for your party. So I'm going to do just a different segment on that. So there are certain things that you want to bring. You want to look like you are a professional, so don't show up with like 57 bags. I make everything really easy, and I have a demo bag, and I have it packed, and I have a bags for each guest. So for your I Deserve It All bags, you're going to want to, if you have 5 guests coming, then I will have 5 roll-up bags sitting in front of them. And so this is what a roll-up bag looks like, all right? And if you have 5 people at your party, one person will probably buy the biggest one, and you might have one person buy the middle one, and you probably will have one person buy the bottom one, I mean like a miracle set, and you might have 1 or 2 just buy random things. So you want to go with, with an average, okay? So if it is a bag that has combination to oily in it, miracle set, I put the purple ribbon on the handle, and if it's pink, it's going to have a normal to dry inside. And so how do I pack my bag? So in the first pocket is the miracle set, okay? So you put the first pocket together with the miracle set. Second pocket has the microdermabrasion. Third pocket, I put the oil-free eye makeup remover, the Indulge Soothing Eye Gel, and I usually just put a mascara in there because they always end up buying a mascara. I will also toss in, just to put in here just for giggles and grins, I will put a charcoal mask and a brush. And in the bottom one, I will do a satin lips and satin hands. And most of the things I leave in boxes, and then I just roll them up. All right, so if I have 5 guests coming, I have 5 of these. Okay, so then what's in my demo bag? Oops. What's in my demo bag? My demo bag is set up, and so this is my facial bag, and so I have black bags, and if you need to get one of those, let me know. I can put you in touch with someone who can embroider it for you. Okay, so I have my miracle sets. So I only demo the normal to dry cleanser. I don't demo the combination to oily because you need water. I know, and I'll go through all of that. I have both formulas of the moisturizer for day and both formulas of the moisturizer for night. And I do have a non-SPF formula of moisturizer in here as well. Okay, I also have the firming eye cream in there. In this pocket, it's a little unorganized, but in this pocket I have just the supplemental masks. So I have the charcoal mask and eye makeup remover and the moisture renewing gel mask and the facial peel. So I have that in here, okay? So you don't always have to have all of that in there to start out. In this pocket, I have the Botanical Effects, okay? And in the bottom pocket, I have the satin hands and satin lips. And that's what I demo. You're gonna want to, if you started off with a full store, you're gonna wanna go ahead and just pull your demos. Make sure you write them on a ticket and keep that ticket as a tax deduction because you're gonna be able to write those products off. But these are the products that I demo, and I'll go through the whole process of that with you. So you want to make sure that you have also your foundation primer and your CC creams. So basically the products that were inside your kit are going to fit in here, and then we will figure out what you're missing from your set. You're also going to want to and I can talk more about a color demo later, but you're also going to want to have your mirrors packed, your the facial trays and the inserts, the facial cloths. I went ahead and invested in black washcloths that I got off of Amazon pretty inexpensively. I like cotton rounds, hair ties, and I like click pins. And I like click pins because nobody can bite on them, and I like them all to match. So you also want to have a double roll of tickets, and you want to have a couple of small prizes that are wrapped and a hostess gift. Okay, and that's how you're going to get started. I'll put some pictures of how to set up your place settings, but I go ahead and laminate. This is the placemat that I use, and I have the company information on the back, and that is in the notebook that I provided for you earlier in the series. And then I have the tic-tac-toe sheets, and I have the customer profiles. And so those are going to be on the table. And I also, so I have the company information, and I have these face down. So I hope that all makes sense. I just wanted to share that with you, and I will show you that I also have the roller bags that I got off of MK Connection, and that's where I bring most of my stuff in with. And I bought one of these big bags that I could put up to 6 roll-up bags in it. And that way I literally walk in with my starter kit, the roll-up bags, and then the rolling tote, and that's it. So, all right, we'll be back with how to set up.